Hello and welcome to another CBits Tech video. Doing a combined two packages today because this first bit is sort of loosely cassette related. It's just a set of headphones, but it's in a cassette box. I've got a set of old original iPod headphones, wired ones obviously, without the microphone button on them, and they're the best headphones I've got. So I saw these. It said that they were opened and never used. I thought they were new. These bits are disintegrating already. So I bought them, hoping that if they're BASF, they're going to be a reasonable quality. If they're generally BASF, there was a lot of this type of thing came out in the I think it was about the 90s, stuff in a cassette shaped box, which is quite handy because you can put them in your cassette. Oh dear. So okay, well, oh my god, I've just fixed a mini disc player which had a knackered belt on it. Now I've gone and opened this and well, I'll show you the listing now anyway, and then I'm going to clear this up and get to the main package. I'll have checked the listing when I do the editing, so add it in here. But I think that was new, opens never used, and selling it as new when it's clearly knackered. If he'd have opened it, he'd have seen it was knackered. It's just another eBay con man, but it was like, I don't know, about £3 or something. I put the first bid in for that, and then realised it was opened never used, which means it probably has been used, and I thought, oh well, I'll bid now, so I'll do anything about it, and then I won it. But this is what I'm really here for. Let's move the camera. There we go. So this is interesting. I wonder if they sponsored, that looks like a BMW badge. I wonder if they BASF sponsored a racing team at one point. But I bought some of these. That would have been, funny enough, I edited the video for a set of, I think it was 10 cassettes, of which 3 were BASF Chromdioxide or Chromdioxid. Let's have a look at the rest of the box first of all. So this purchase was £7.99, including 50p buyer protection, and then £2.45 postage and 59p in VAT. So a total of £11.03, which is, again, it's not too bad for Type 2. I'll have a read of that later on. But they are new and sealed. So I think, oh, what am I going to do? Am I going to open one of these? I've got one of these on my desk because they look fantastic. They're quite nice. I think I'm going to open one of those. They're very nice, and of course they're in excellent condition because they've been inside the box. So this really is a treat. So let's open it up. Nice thick plastic. Now I'm stuck. Lovely. Oh, it looks old already, doesn't it? Where's my Bic? Very nice. Let's get the light down here a bit. That's a bit better. Very nice. Let's have a look at the J card. Oh, it's just proper old school plastic. This, I'm trying to find a date on it at the moment. There's a little mark there. I don't know where that's come from. But it's really proper thick plastic and a really matte feeling. Is there a date on these? Did you spot a date earlier on? So Chromdioxid II or Chrome Substitute. So that's supposed to smell. Let's have a look at the actual tape. Can't really tell there. Let's turn this light off, get just the overhead light in there. Let the camera adjust for a second. God, it's very shiny. Oh, it does. It smells of crayons. I've seen other YouTubers do that. And oh, it smells very faintly of wax. Funny enough, the shell smells of it as well. But there you go. It's very dark. That's a very nice couple of cassettes, that. I'm glad I got those. Anyway, have you had one of these? How do they record? I'm going to have to find some age-appropriate music to put on there. Anything before that age or a couple of years after. But that is it for now. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hello, this is the part where you click like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I don't have sponsorships on my videos, so if you want to help me directly, you can sign up on Patreon for a small amount of money, or you can click Super Thanks to send me some money via YouTube, and that would be super. Thanks. Thickest wrap I've ever had, I think.